Vaishali and you all are welcome to scholarshippositions.com.
Today we will have conversations for the scholarships provided by the Australian government.
We'll provide you the information regarding the initiatives taken by the Australian government.
In a queue of the scholarships by the Australian government, there is a very famous scholarship, that is the Edinburgh Scholarship. That is for the Australian natives and also for the international students.
Okay, is it for European students as well?
Yeah, Vaishali, it includes the European students but also some different areas, that is the Middle East, Asia Pacific and also the Americas.
Okay, is there any age limit?
Definitely, every scholarship has some age limit. The commencement of the minimum age limit, that is 18 years, and there is no maximum age limit for that.
Okay, that's great. Australian government has also taken initiative. They are spending $3 lakh.
That's great. 3 lakhs. In which program?
It's initiating the youth leadership program.
Okay.
They'll help the young men and women in this program. They'll provide the teachings and also the professional education to them so that they can boost in the societies and communities.
Okay, that's a great news for the youngsters.
Okay, is there any scholarship for the master's level?
Definitely, there is a scholarship by the Australian government for the master's level, but that is for the African countries.
Okay. Any specific subject?
Yeah, in different fields. That is especially for in agriculture, in public health, and in management. In management for that, and various subjects like that for.
Okay. Australian government is also has also taken a step ahead and they are providing the development grants.
Development grants. I think so. That is in this category there are various scholarships.
Yes, they are covering the long-term and short-term courses,
okay.
And also here also they are providing the professional education to the students. They are providing the opportunities to enhance themselves in the professional education.
In for the long term, you can tell something.
Yes, it's like they are covering ADR, ADL, and ADRS.
For ADA, I think so. U stands for Australian Development.
Yes,
Awards.
And ADL stands for Australian Development Leadership.
These are the very famous awards among the students.
Yes.
They really want to pursue these awards.
Yes, and in the short term, they are covering the ADL fellowship.
Okay.
Yes, and
that means Australian government is continuously doing its efforts in the education sector, and the students should also cooperate the government.
Yes, Australia, you can see here that Australian government has already taken a step ahead. They have already started the initiative to educate the students, and now it's time for the students to take a step so that they can also avail the opportunities which are provided by the government.
Okay, if the students can continuously pursue his or her studies with the help of these scholarships, they will definitely help in the development of the education, the global development of the education.
Yes, we can coordinate by these types of scholarships. We can coordinate with the rest of the countries, and the rest of the countries can coordinate with us. We can build a mutual understanding.
That's a type of international educational exchange.
Yes. It's a kind of exchange only.
Definitely be a part of these type of programs and help in the development of the country and in the world also. And choose your destinations according to your choice and be the international student of this season. All the best from scholarshippositions.com.
We wish you the best in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.